This is on you with a monster, a real screamer. This thing took him there to the steel bridge. Yo, I think it's a nice grunter. A real screamer. We should drive. Hey? Yo. Oh, this, my man. He just got big smiles all around. Oh, this. Fishing here in Richards Bay. The whole day we haven't caught a lot of fish, and here comes these with a big fish. Hey, that thing's not giving up. So got a lock of fish on here. Looks like a nice grunter. Oh, these! Oh, these! Hey, my man, these. These always has the luck, they always catches a lock of fish for the day. Don't give the others any chance. What do you scheme? These a size one.
I don't know what this is.
Is it later over a boom? These fighting here. Still a light rod. Light leader line. Use the cracker shrimp. Tide's coming in, guys. Feel if it faster. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, dudes, pull that thing, Excel. What do you got there, dudes?
I don't know what the fuck. Skate.
Go.
Honey.
Hey, baby honeycomb.